Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we have brought to you mock test number 2 for Food Corporation of India based on biotechnology syllabus. We will try to come up with more test series for FCI as per syllabus related to agriculture. So stay connected with us and subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming mock tests. Now let's start today's mock test. Question number 1. The most abundant protein found in biosphere is? The options are rubisco, peptase, PEP carboxylase or kinase. The correct answer is option A, rubisco. So the most abundant protein found in biosphere is rubisco. Question number 2. Which of the following formation is not microbe mediated? The options are curd, bread, wine or orange juice. The correct answer is option D, orange juice. So which of the following formation is not microbe mediated? It is orange juice. Question number 3. When the genotype of an organism is improved by the addition of foreign genes, the process is called dash. The options are tissue culture, genetic engineering, biotechnology or genetic diversity. The correct answer is option B, genetic engineering. So, when the genotype of an organism is improved by the addition of foreign genes, the process is called genetic engineering. Question number 4. In genetic engineering, the term vector is applied for the dash. The options are source of DNA, plasmid, cell which receives DNA, or all of the above. The correct answer is option B, plasmid. So in genetic engineering, the term vector is applied for the plasmid. The next question is, dash is known as molecular scissor. The options are restriction endonuclease, cellulase, chitinase or Taq polymerase. The correct answer is option A, restriction endonuclease. So molecular scissor is the restriction endonuclease. Question number 6. The cutting of DNA at specific locations became possible with the discovery of? The options are ligases, restriction enzymes, probes or selectable markers. The correct answer is option B, restriction enzymes. So the cutting of DNA at specific locations became possible with the discovery of restriction enzymes. The next question is, which of the following is food poisoning organism? The options are Lactobacillus, Clostridium botulinum, Streptomyces faecalis or none of these. The correct answer is option B, Clostridium botulinum. So Clostridium botulinum is the food poisoning organism. Question number 8. Plasmids are extra chromosomal genetic material of dash. The options are bacteria, virus, algae or amoeba. The correct answer is option A, bacteria. So plasmids are extra chromosomal genetic material of bacteria. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a feature of the plasmids? The options are transferable, single-stranded, independent replication or circular structure. The correct answer is option B, single-stranded. So single-stranded is not a feature of the plasmids. Question number 10. The trigger for activation of toxin of Bacillus thuringiensis is dash. The options are acidic pH of stomach, high temperature, alkaline pH of gut or mechanical action in the insect gut. The correct answer is option C, alkaline pH of gut. So the trigger for activation of toxin of Bacillus thuringiensis is alkaline pH of gut. Moving on to the next question. A transgenic food crop which may help in solving the problem of night blindness in developing countries is dash. The options are BT soybean, golden rice, flavor saver tomatoes or Starlink maize. The correct answer is option B, golden rice. So a transgenic food crop which may help in solving the problem of night blindness in developing countries is golden rice. Question number 12. Important use of agricultural biotechnology is to dash. The options are produce pest-resistant plant, increase carbon content, increase plant weight, or decrease seed number. The correct answer is option A, produce pest-resistant plant. So, important use of agricultural biotechnology is to produce pest-resistant plant. The next question is Bt toxin produced by bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis do not kill the bacterium itself because dash. The options are bacteria are resistant to strain, toxin is immature, toxin is inactive, or bacteria encloses toxin in a special sac. The correct answer is option C. Toxin is inactive. So Bt toxin produced by bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis do not kill the bacterium itself because toxin is inactive. Question number 14. Dash is based on the antigen-antibody interaction. The options are PCR, autoradiography, ELISA technology, or RNAi. The correct answer is option C, ELISA technology. So ELISA technology is based on the antigen-antibody interaction. Question number 15. How many documented varieties of basmati rice are grown in India? The options are 25, 26, 27 or 28. The correct answer is option C, 27. So there are 27 documented varieties of basmati rice are grown in India. Question number 16. Cry gene is obtained from. The options are Agrobacterium tumefaciens, Bacillus thuringiensis, Rhizobium legumiosaurum, or Rhizobium physioli. The correct answer is option B, Bacillus thuringiensis. So cry gene is obtained from Bacillus thuringiensis. The next question is formation of which of the following microbe mediated? The options are bread, tomato ketchup, butter, or pickle. The correct answer is option A, bread. So formation of bread is microbe mediated. Question number 18. Vaccine is a dash. The options are collection of antibiotics, life-saving drugs, killed bacteria and viruses, and collection of lysins. The correct answer is option C, killed bacteria and viruses. So vaccine is a killed bacteria and virus. Question number 19. The plant cellular organelles that contributes to the extra chromosomal inheritance is dash. The options are nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast and nucleus, or mitochondria and chloroplast. The correct answer is option D, mitochondria and chloroplast. So the plant cellular organelles that contributes to the extra chromosomal inheritance is mitochondria and chloroplast. Question number 20. Agarose extracted from the seaweeds is used in. The options are spectrophotometry, tissue culture, PCR, or gel electrophoresis. The correct answer is option D, gel electrophoresis. So agarose extracted from seaweeds is used in gel electrophoresis. The next question is the Taq polymerase enzyme is obtained from. The options are Bacillus subtilis, Pseudomonas putida, Thermus aquaticus, or Thiobacillus ferrooxidans. The correct answer is option C, Thermus aquaticus. So the Taq polymerase enzyme is obtained from Thermus aquaticus. Question number 22. Which one of the following techniques made it possible to genetically engineer living organisms? The options are recombinant DNA techniques, X-ray diffraction, heavier isotope labeling, or hybridization. The correct answer is option A, recombinant DNA techniques. So recombinant DNA techniques made it possible to genetically engineer living organisms. Question number 23. Polymerase chain reaction is most useful in dash. The options are DNA synthesis, DNA amplification, protein synthesis, or amino acid synthesis. The correct answer is option B, DNA amplification. So polymerase chain reaction is most useful in DNA amplification. Question number 24. During PCR technique, the pairing of primers to ssDNA segment is called dash. The options are denaturation, annealing, polymerization, or isolation. The correct answer is option B, annealing. Question number 25. The first step in recombinant DNA technology is, the options are isolation of DNA, insertion of DNA fragments, joining of DNA fragments, duplication of DNA fragments. The correct answer is option A, isolation of DNA. So the first step in recombinant DNA technology is isolation of DNA. Question number 26. Which of the following statement is incorrect about genetically modified plants? The options are, they have improved nutritional quality, they are drought and salt resistant, they cause loss of fertility of soil, or they reduce post-harvest losses. So the correct answer is option C, they cause loss of fertility of soil. So this statement is not correct about genetically modified plants. The statements which are correct about genetically modified plants are, they have improved nutritional quality, they are drought and salt resistant, and they reduce post-harvest losses. Question number 27. In Bt cotton, the Bt toxin present in plant tissue as protoxin is converted into active toxin due to dash. The options are acidic pH of the insect gut, action of gut microorganisms, alkaline pH of the insect gut, or none of these. The correct answer is option C, alkaline pH of the insect gut. So in Bt cotton, the Bt toxin present in plant tissue as protoxin is converted into active toxin due to alkaline pH of the insect gut. Question number 28. Which of the following organelles is related with genetic engineering? The options are Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, or plasmids. The correct answer is option D, plasmids. So plasmid is the organelle which is related with genetic engineering among the following. Question number 29. Which of the following Indian products were a prey of biopiracy? The options are basmati rice, turmeric, neem, or all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. So basmati rice, turmeric, neem are the Indian products which were a prey of biopiracy. Question number 30. The first hormone artificially produced by culturing bacteria is, the options are insulin, thyroxine, testosterone, or adrenaline. The correct answer is option A, insulin. So the first hormone artificially produced by culturing bacteria is insulin. The next question is, which amongst the following refers to the recombinant DNA? The options are host DNA plus fragment of foreign DNA, host DNA plus selectable marker, host DNA plus Taq polymerase, or host DNA plus E. coli. The correct answer is option A, host DNA plus fragment of foreign DNA. So, host DNA plus fragment of foreign DNA refers to the recombinant DNA. Question number 32. The recombinant plasmid is introduced into bacterial cell by the process of dash. The options are replication, transformation, extension, or annealing. The correct answer is option B, transformation. So the recombinant plasmid is introduced into bacterial cell by the process of transformation. Question number 33. Restriction endonuclease, an enzyme used in genetic engineering, is employed for dash. The options are immunosuppressing, cutting double-stranded DNA, cutting single-stranded DNA, or joint strands of DNA. The correct answer is option B, cutting double-stranded DNA. So restriction endonuclease, an enzyme used in genetic engineering, is employed for cutting double-stranded DNA. Question number 34. The matrix used in gel electrophoresis is, the options are polythene glycol, agarose, ethidium bromide, or cellulose. The correct answer is option B, agarose. So the matrix used in gel electrophoresis is agarose. The next question is, a tumor-inducing plasmid widely used in the production of transgenic plants is that of dash. The options are Escherichia coli, Bacillus thuringiensis, Staphylococcus aureus, or Agrobacterium tumefaciens. The correct answer is option D, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. So a tumor-inducing plasmid widely used in the production of transgenic plants is that of Agrobacterium tumefaciens. The next question is, who established the scientific basis for vaccination? The options are Edward Jenner, Louis Pasteur, George Kohler, or Caesar Milstein. The correct answer is option A, Edward Jenner. So Edward Jenner established the scientific basis for vaccination. Question number 37. For transformation microparticles coated with DNA to be bombarded with gene gun are made up of dash. The options are silver or platinum or zinc, silicon or platinum, or gold or tungsten. The correct answer is option D, gold or tungsten. So for transformation, microparticles coated with DNA to be bombarded with gene gun are made up of gold or tungsten. Question number 38. In genetic engineering, restriction endonuclease cuts DNA at specific regions known as dash. The options are promoter region, palindromic sequence, terminator region, or cloning sites. The correct answer is option B, palindromic sequence. So in genetic engineering, restriction endonuclease cuts DNA at specific regions known as palindromic sequence. The next question is, a desirable change in genotype of an organism is obtained by dash. The options are DNA replication, protein synthesis, rDNA technology, or mRNA formation. The correct answer is option C, rDNA technology. So a desirable change in genotype of an organism is obtained by rDNA technology. Question number 40. Which one of the following statements is not correct about plasmid? So the options are, it has the ability of autonomous replication, it is a circular DNA, its DNA is as long as chromosomal DNA, and it has antibiotic resistant gene. The correct answer is option C, its DNA is as long as chromosomal DNA. So this statement is not correct about a plasmid. The statements which are correct about a plasmid are, it has the ability of autonomous replication, it is a circular DNA, and it has antibiotic resistant gene. Question number 41. Plasmids are used in genetic engineering because they are dash. The options are easily available, able to replicate, able to integrate with the host chromosome, or inert. The correct answer is option B, able to replicate. So plasmids are used in genetic engineering because they are able to replicate. The next question is, the source of Taq polymerase used in PCR is dash. The options are thermophilic fungus, mesophilic fungus, thermophilic bacteria, or halophilic bacteria. The correct answer is option C, thermophilic bacterium. So the source of Taq polymerase used in PCR is thermophilic bacterium. Question number 43. Golden rice is a transgenic crop of the future with the following improved trait. The options are high vitamin A content, insect resistant, high protein content, or all of these. The correct answer is option A, high vitamin A content. So golden rice is a transgenic crop of the future with the following improved trait of high vitamin A content. Question number 44. Urea is produced in animals by breakdown of dash. The options are proteins, nucleic acids, uric acids, or purines. The correct answer is option A, proteins. So urea is produced in animals by the breakdown of proteins. Question number 45. Ribosomes are made up of dash. The options are RNA and DNA, DNA and protein, RNA and protein, or DNA alone. The correct answer is option C, RNA and protein. So ribosomes are made up of RNA and protein. Question number 46. Karyokinesis means division of dash into two. The options are cytoplasm, protoplasm, nucleus, or all of these. The correct answer is option C, nucleus. So karyokinesis means division of nucleus into two. Question number 47. Meiotic division takes place in dash. The options are leaf, anther, stem, all of these. And the correct answer is option B, anther. So meiotic division takes place in anther. Question number 48. Bacteriophage consists of dash. The options are carbon and nitrogen, DNA, nucleoprotein, or proteins only. The correct answer is option C, nucleoprotein. So bacteriophage consists of nucleoprotein. Question number 49. Biotechnology is an applied science which involves dash. The options are microbiology, molecular biology, genetic engineering, or all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these, which includes microbiology, molecular biology, and genetic engineering. So biotechnology is an applied science which involves microbiology, molecular biology, and genetic engineering. Question number 50. The first transgenic plant to be produced is dash. The options are brinjal, cotton, tobacco, or rice. The correct answer is option C, tobacco. So the first transgenic plant to be produced is tobacco. That was all. Thank you friends for watching our video. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.